Today we are going to study a case study on Ritz-Carlton. Ritz-Carlton is luxurious hotel brand. Ritz-Carlton is known for their best customer experience. Ritz-Carlton is known for their high quality standard of customer service. So this case study is very important if you want to understand how to provide best customer service. So you will see Rich Carton always striving for the continuous improvement. So history of the Ritz Carton, the hotel's famous name began with the birth of Caesar Ritz in Switzerland in 1850. So Caesar Ritz was the person uh, whose name has been given to this hotel, or the Ritz Carton, the name in the name Ritz Carton, Ritz has taken from the Caesar Ritz, who was the founder of this hotel. He was born in Switzerland in 1850. Caesar Ritz, eventually known as King of Hoteliers or Hoteliers King, Ritz opened three luxurious hotels in Europe. After the Caesar Ritz died in 1918, his wife Mary continued an expansion of the hotels bearing his name. Several Ritz-Carlton hotels were built in the North America in the early 20th century. So, Ritz-Carlton was a person who was working in hotel industry. He was having a vision to start his own hotel. Eventually, he started his hotel, and he started three to four hotels in Europe, and he was known as King of hoteliers because he was providing uh, very good quality services at their hotel. He is known as King of Hoteliers or also the Hoteliers King. But he wanted to expand his hotel to various countries, but suddenly he died in 1918. His goal, his objective was taken forward by his wife called Mary. She started continuously expanding these hotels. They entered into North America in early 20th century. In 1983, former CEO William B. Johnson acquired the rights to the name and made famous by Swiss hotelier Cesar Ritz. So B. Johnson acquired the name Ritz for the hotel. In 1983, the Ritz-Carlton Hotel Company was formed. Led by the president and founding father Colgate Holmes alongside Horst Schulze and others, the company began to expand, adding new properties across the United States. So they formed this company, Ritz-Carlton. They started expanding, they started acquiring uh, hotels or the properties at very prominent places, at very strategically located places. Today it is a part of hotel giant Marriott International, which operating under the company's luxury segment. So today parent company for this Ritz-Carlton hotel is Marriott International, and they have uh, positioned this brand very well, and they are taking care that this brand should grow in luxury segment. The Ritz-Carlton, few brands attain such a high standard of customer service as luxury hotel Ritz-Carlton. The Ritz-Carlton dates back to the early 20th century, and the original Ritz-Carlton Boston, which revolutionized the way US travelers viewed and experienced customer service and luxury in a hotel. So Ritz-Carlton is known for high quality standards. Ritz-Carlton is known for the luxury, and it is synonymous to luxury. In fact, there is a word in the dictionary. The word is adapted from this hotel for the luxury. It's that word is rizzy. Like we say, Whenever we want to search a word, we say Google it. So for the luxury, it is they are saying the word Rizzi. US travelers at that point of time were not finding a very good quality service hotel, and in the Ritz Carlton they found out that uh, they are getting the quality services beyond their expectation. Ritz Carlton is known for the quality standards, high quality standard in the customer service, and Ritz Carlton has established itself as market leader in luxury hotel. Ritz-Carlton Boston was a first of its kind to provide guests with the private bath in each guest room, fresh flowers throughout the hotel, and entire staff dressed in formal white tie, black tie, or morning coat attire. So Ritz-Carlton is providing very good facilities. If you go to their website, if you see their advertisement, you will see what kind of facilities they are providing. They are providing the facilities which are the world class, which are best in the industry. They are providing private bath in each guest room. They are providing fresh flowers throughout the hotel, and their entire staff is dressed in white tie or the black tie or the morning coat attire. These are the few examples. They have so many facilities available. In 1983, hotelier Horseshoes and four people development team acquired the rights to the Ritz-Carlton name and created a Ritz-Carlton concept as it is known today. The company-wide concentration on both personal and functional side of the service. So, Horseshoes was the person who acquired the rights for the Ritz-Carlton name in 1983. He was having a team of four people, and they developed today's concept of high quality standard for the customer experience, which is known as a Ritz-Carlton. They they believe that in order to achieve high quality standard for the customer service, your employee should be enabled, your employee should be trained. You can achieve that high quality standards of customer service through employees only. Employee can able to create memorable customer experience. People will not remember what facility, what things are available at the hotel, but people will always remember the incident, the courtesy, the service which is provided, the respect, the dignity which is given to the customer. So if you want to create memorable incident, if you want to uh, provide high quality standards of customer service, they will be given only through the employees. So the horseshoes was having focus on the employees and the functions functional side of the service. So the service which they are providing should be of very high standard, the best in the industry, and the employees who are providing that particular service should also be very polite, very humble, and they should create memorable experience, wow experience. Five-star hotel provides impeccable facilities but also takes customer service extremely seriously. So they are providing facilities which are defect free. There are no errors, there are no mistakes, and the facilities which they have are the of very high quality standards. But they are also focusing on the customer service. So this is the cards you will get at their hotel, which has all the things, their beliefs, their employee commitment, their service commitment, employee promise, the credo they have, then they have 12 service values. Everything is there that they have that we are going to discuss. We are the ladies and gentlemen serving the ladies and gentlemen according to the company's website. So they consider their employees as ladies and gentlemen, and they consider their customer as ladies and gentlemen, and they think that in order to provide best service, we should have very good ladies and very good gentlemen, and they are giving equal importance to employees, and they are giving equal importance to their customers, because good customer experience can only be achieved through good employees, good trained employees, good skilled employees. The Ritz Carlton pledges to provide the finest personal service and facilities for our guests, who will always enjoy warm, relaxed, and refined ambience. So they are taking pledge, they are taking oath that they will provide customized service. They will provide finest personal service. Their facilities will be best in the industry, and the services which they are going to provide will be uh, warm, that will make the customer feel relaxed, and they are also providing refined ambience. Ritz Carlton fulfills this promise by providing impeccable training for its employees and executing three steps for service and 12 service values. So they are providing very good training to their employees. The training is defect free, error free, and that training is enough. They are providing uh, very good training. They are providing training to that extent where employees are in position to serve the customer better. They have 12 service values that we are going to discuss. In their training menu, we have the gold standards, which are set by the Ritz Carlton. Then they have initial orientation. They have 21-day certification program. They have the 365-day recertification program. They have ongoing trainings. They have daily lineup every day in the morning for 15 minutes. Then they have employee empowerment and feedback system. They are also evaluating training, and so on. They have also reached Carton Leadership Center. So lot of training is going on. Lot of training is given to their customers to enable them to provide the best services uh, in that particular industry. There are three steps in services which they are focusing. Uh, First is, employee must use warm and sincere greeting always. So employee, whenever meeting the customer, he should have a smile, he should greet, he should wish that particular customer, and he should call the customer by name. By calling the name, you generate sense of feeling, sense of belongingness, sense of affection, sense of love. And they have to, at the second step, they have to anticipate and fulfill each guest needs. So guests have some express needs, guests have some unexpressed need. So they are trained in particular situation what can be required, what can be needed by the customers. Sometimes customers are hesitating to say some services, to ask for some services. So they have to anticipate, they have to forecast, they have to predict in particular situation what can be the best service which can be given to the customers. They give, at the third step, they are giving warm goodbye, they are giving good farewell, they are giving good send off, so that the entire stay at the hotel should remain memorable. And at the send off, at the farewell also, they are calling the customer by their name, so that sense of belongingness is generated. Every manager carries a laminated card with the 12 service value, which include bullets such as number 3. I am empowered to create unique, memorable, and personal experience for our guests. Number 10. I am proud of my professional appearance, language, and behavior. So there are 12 service value which every day that employee has to read, every day he has to remember, and he has to follow, he has to abide by these 12 service value. Simon Cooper, the company president and chief operating officer, explained, it's all about people. Nobody has emotion, nobody has an emotional experience with the thing. We are appealing to emotion. So what Simon Cooper is saying, that nobody will remember what facilities we have. Nobody will remember what furniture, what materials we have and we are providing. But everybody will remember the customer service. Everybody will remember the incident where our people, our employee has taken the initiative and helped them in their difficult situation. Our people have given the respect. Our people have served them very well, like their family members, like their best friend. So that memorable incidents, that memorable events, they will take with them. They will remember throughout their life. So if you are treating your customer like best friend, if you are treating your customer like your family members, if you are giving them utmost respect, if you are helping them going out of the way, so these experience will always be remembered. And nobody will remember the things, nobody will remember the dining table, nobody remember be the design of the glass. They will not be remembered. After some time, everybody will forget those things. But the memories which they have with their employees coming out of the way, they are helping them with 100%, with giving their best efforts, that will not be forgotten. And that's what they are meant by the customer service. The Ritz Carlton has 38,000 employees at 70 hotels in 24 countries, go out of their way to create unique and memorable experience. So they have 38,000 employees which are creating everyday memories, and these memories, these wow stories are adding to brand building of the Ritz Carlton. While the Ritz Carlton is known for training its employees and exceptional customer service, the hotel also reinforces its mission and values to its employees on a daily basis. Each day, managers gather their employees for a 15-minute lineup. So every day, manager is calling all the employees for 15 minutes. 15 minutes, they discuss their mission, their vision, their objectives, their goals, and how they can serve better to the customer. In this lineup, they are also discussing the problems they are facing. They are also discussing how they can improve their service. They are also discussing any incidents, any stories where their employees have gone out of the way and created wow experience for the customer, created memorable experience for the customer. When customer is appreciating that particular employee, these incidents are discussed in these 15 minutes lineup, and these incidents are also a part of training that everybody should achieve this type of quality standard. Everybody should achieve this kind of quality standard, and this kind of quality standard is also expected from that particular organization. This is what the expectation of the organization, that is reinforced, that is again and again told to the employees. During this time, the managers touch base with their employees, resolve any impending problems, and spend the remaining time reading and discussing the Ritz Carlton calls wow stories. So there are wow stories where employees can create memorable incidents for their customers by helping them going out of the way. So when if any important problem is solved by the customers by using his very good knowledge and skills, and customer is appreciating that particular employee, that is considered as a wow story, and in front of everyone it is appreciated. It is also the acknowledgement of the customer for its acknowledgement of the employees for its good service. And it is also for others that organization has such a kind of expectation. The same wow story of the day is read to every single employees around the world. So some successful wow stories are shared on their website, in their organization, and they are spread everywhere in their organization. These true stories recognize an individual employee for his or her outstanding customer service and also highlight one of the 12 service values. For example, one family staying at the Ritz Carlton Bali needed a particular type of egg and milk for their son who suffered from the food allergies. Employees could not find the appropriate items in the town, but the executive chef at the hotel remembered a store in Singapore that sold them. He contacted his mother-in-law, who purchased the item and personally flew them over 1,000 miles to Bali for the family. This example showcase service value. So one particular story, wow story I am discussing here. The first story, wow story is like that. Like there is a family, we and they have a son, and that particular son has a food allergy, and that particular son requires some particular type of egg and milk, which is not available in that particular city, or which is not available in that particular country, that Bali. And that chef, who is expert in the food, he remembered that this particular food is available in Singapore, and he knew that because that particular food is available near his mother-in-law. So he immediately contacted mother-in-law, and that mother-in-law informed that that food is available, that particular egg and milk is available. So that mother-in-law brought that particular food 1,000 miles, as per the request of that particular cook or the chef. And this show that family became very happy by getting this kind of commitment from the employees. So this showcase the high quality standards of the Ritz Carlton, and it is also a part of their 12 service value. And by achieving this uh, success, this with this incident, they are also focusing on the number 6 service value which they have, that I own and immediately resolve guest problem. So here that incident is, they are relating to their one of the service value and telling them this is the way you can achieve the high quality of standards. And this is also appreciation for that particular employee, and this is also learning lesson for others. In other instance, a waiter overheard a man telling his wife, who used a wheelchair, that it was too bad he could not get her down to the beach. So there is a customer who is physically challenged, who is on wheelchair, and he's feeling bad, he's feeling sad that he cannot able to take his wife to the beach for the dinner. Immediately that waiter heard this conversation, and he immediately informed the maintenance crew, and the maintenance crew immediately constructed a wooden walkway, and they informed that particular customer, and that customer became was very happy, and he could able to take his wife to the beach for the dinner. So these are the wow stories which they are discussing on every day for the 15 minutes daily lineup. According to the Cooper, daily wow story is the best way to communicate what we expect from the ladies, from our employees, ladies and gentlemen around the world. Every story reinforces the action we are looking for, and demonstrate how each and every person in our organization contributes to our service value. So wow stories are learning lesson from them. This is used as a learning tool. As part of the company policy, each employee is entitled to spend $2,000 on a guest to help deliver an anticipated need or desire. So they are giving $2,000 to each employee. Suppose in emergency, if that particular customer is in need for some or the other thing, then that can be purchased immediately by that $2,000. The hotel measures the success of its customer service efforts through Gallup phone interviews, which are both functional and emotional questions. Functional question can be asked like, how was the meal? Was your bedroom clean? And emotional questions uncover a sense of customers' well-being. Ritz-Carlton uses these findings as well as day-to-day experience to continually enhance and improve the experiences for its guests. So there is a Gallup survey which is used to check their performance, check their high quality of standard, check the customer satisfaction. They are calling customers, they are asking two types of questions. One is functional question, one is emotional question. Under the functional question, they are asking the satisfaction about their facilities, like how was the meal, cleanliness of the bedroom. In the emotional questions, they are asking the customer's well-being. They are using these findings by the research and surveys. They are using day-to-day experiences to improve their quality. How they are improving their quality? They are taking these findings and research conclusions and day-to-day experience as a learning lesson. In less than 3 decades, Ritz-Carlton has grown from 4 locations to 70 locations and earned two Malcolm Bridge Quality Awards, and only company ever to win the prestigious award twice. So there are very few organizations which have won these Malcolm Bridge Quality Awards. There are very few. It's very difficult to achieve these quality standards, and no company is going for this Malcolm Bridge Quality Awards because they are really very tough to achieve. And within just uh, 30 years, they have grown from 4 locations to 70 locations. Now there are two questions. How does the Ritz-Carlton match up the competitive hotels? What are the key differences? Here the strategies of the Ritz-Carlton are asked. What are the unique things they are doing which are giving them competitive advantage over their competitors? In the second question, discuss the importance of the wow stories in customer service for luxury hotel like Ritz-Carlton. They are asking the significance of the wow stories, why the wow stories are important. So first question we will discuss uh, how they match up with the competitive hotels. What are the uniqueness? What are the strategies of the Ritz-Carlton? So they concentrated on one of the most difficult part for any hotels, that is maximum customer satisfaction. So they have very high quality standards. They are providing customer very good satisfaction, customer delight. They are they are solving the express needs of the customer, and also they are fulfilling the unexpressed needs of the customer by anticipation, by forecasting, by their experience which they have in that particular industry. They are providing unique infrastructure, and they are providing very good facilities. They are providing private bath in each guest room. They are providing fresh flowers. Their employees are dressed properly in black tie or white tie and morning coat attire. So their employees are their asset. Their employees are providing very good services. Their employees are properly trained, properly dressed, and they are humble and polite. They are trained well enough to provide very good customer experience. They are hire right talented people, so they are hiring skilled people, providing intense training on exceptional quality service. So their training is uh, their training is very good. They are providing training for the entire year. They have certificate 21-day certification program. They have recertification program after 365 days. Introducing the idea of wow story. Wow story, we discussed that wow story is creating learning lessons for them. It is also the appreciation from the organization to the employees who are doing good. Now, question two: importance of the wow stories in the luxury hotel like Ritz-Carlton. So we discussed already. There is wow stories are 15-day lineup every day where they are discussing the quality standards. They are discussing the service value. They are discussing the vision, mission, goals, objectives. They are appreciating people who have created very good, memorable experiences, and it is acknowledgement for the customer also, and it is learning lessons for the other also, and they are also communicating. They are also reinforcing what kind of quality standards, what kind of service expectation they have from the employees. So these are very good learning lessons, and there if they have some problems, their problems are also resolved. So sense of recognition motivates the employees to perform better. Feeling that they are notified also helps them serve better. The daily 15 minutes lineup enhance the employee manager relationship. So manager and employee relationship also improves. There is a good rapport. There is good bonding between employee and manager. Employees develop an emotional attachment to the hotel. This again boosts their performance. Since there are many star hotels providing almost same class of services, yet this hotel could gain a fame in terms of customer satisfaction. In order to be on top, additional motivational factors are required where wow stories are of great importance. So this is all about this case study Reese Carton. Again, we are going to do some more analysis about this Reese Carton case study in addition to main case study. So what are the credo? What are the beliefs the Ritz Carlton has? The Ritz Carlton is a place where the genuine care and comfort for our guest is our highest mission. So it is not the care which they are showing towards the customer is not fake, is not something which is artificial. It is not superficial. It is from the heart. It is from their heritage, it is in their culture, it is genuine, and they are providing as they are making that guest or the customer as comfortable as possible. They are achieving their vision, they are achieving their mission uh, through the great customer experience they are providing to the customer. They are pledging to provide the finest personal service and facilities for our guests. We pledge to provide the finest personal service and facilities to our guests who will always enjoy a warm, relaxed, and yet refined ambience. So they are taking oath, they are taking pledge that they will be providing customized service to the person. They will be providing finest personal service to the customer. They are fulfilling the express need, also they are fulfilling the unexpressed need. They are going out of the way to serve the customer. They are uh, they are calling the customer by their name, they are wishing them, they are greeting that particular customer, they are giving the warm smile, and they are also helping assisting them at each point of time. Reese Carton experience enlivens the senses, instills well-being, and fulfills even the unexpressed wishes and needs of our guests. So, who is staying at the Reese Carton? He lived like a king. He feel that he is respected, and he feel that utmost care is taken. So these are the beliefs, these are the principles on which they are working. The motto, as we discussed, we are the ladies and gentlemen serving the ladies and gentlemen. So equal importance is given to the customer and equal importance is given to the employees. This motto is the example that they are respecting their staff, they are respecting their customers. Then there are three steps of services. At the first step, they have to greet the customer, they have to call the customer by their name, they have to give them warm smile, they have to make them feel comfortable, they have to make them feel they have to show the respect towards that particular customer. Then at the second step, they have to anticipate the needs which are customer required. So there are some express needs, there are some unexpressed needs. So they are focusing on the unexpressed need. Then at the time of farewell, they have to greet the customer again and call the customer by their name so that the entire experience should be memorable. Then 12 service value which they have that we are going to discuss. First, I build strong relationship and create Ritz Carlton guests for life. Then next, I am always responsive to the express and unexpressed wishes and the needs of our guests. Next, the I am empowered to create unique and memorable personal experience for our guests. I understand my role in achieving key success factors, embracing community footprints, and creating the Ritz Carlton mystique. Next, I continually seek opportunities to innovate and improve the Ritz Carlton experience. I own and immediately resolve guest problem. I create work environment of teamwork and lateral service so that the needs of our guests and each other are met. I have the opportunity to continuously learn and grow. I am involved in planning of the work that affects me. I am proud of my professional appearance, language, and behavior. I protect the privacy and security of our guests, my fellow employees, and company's confidential information and assets. I am responsible for up uncompromising levels of cleanliness and creating safe and accident-free environment. So these are the service values. Everybody read these service value every day. They remember it and they are trying to apply it, implement it in their service. Then they also have an employee promise. At the Ritz Carlton, our ladies and gentlemen are the most important resources in our service commitment to our guests. So they are thinking that it is their employees are their very good asset to achieve the goal. By applying the principles of trust, honesty, respect, integrity, and commitment, we nurture and maximize talent to the benefit of each individual and the company. So they have trust, they have honesty, they have respect, they have integrity, they have commitment uh, towards the development and growth of the employee. The Ritz Carlton fosters a work environment where diversity is valued. Ritz Carlton fosters the work environment where diversity is valued. Quality of life is enhanced and individual aspirations are fulfilled, and Ritz Carlton mystic is strengthened. So they believe in diversity, they respect each and everyone and opinion of each and everyone. They are providing good quality life for the employees. They are providing good standard of living for the employees. They are trying to fulfill the aspiration of the employees by providing them growth, by providing them development, and appreciating them whenever they are performing better. Then we have to discuss the marketing strategies of the Ritz Carlton. Facilities they are providing. The Ritz Carlton is providing very good facilities. They are the world-class facilities. They are the best facilities in the industry. They are providing some of these facilities are private bath in each guest room, lighter fabrics in the guest room to allow for more thorough washing, white tie and apron uniforms for the wait staff, back tie for the Madrid and morning suits for all other staff. Conducive to formal professional appearance, external fresh flowers throughout the public areas, a la carte dining providing choices for dinners, gourmet cuisine utilizing the genius and cooking methods of the August Escoffier, intimate smaller lobbies for the more and personalized guest experiences. So they are providing very good facilities. You can see these facilities in their pictures, in their videos, in their advertisement, on their websites, everywhere. The training program. Program is of 7 days. The program is known as 7 day countdown. The program provides its staff with the intensive training and to make them understand their gold standard. The program provides training its employees on exceptional customer service. There are 38,000 employees who has got benefit of this training program. It provides impeccable training program which is error free, training program which is without mistake, training program which is flawless. This training program, if anybody completes, then they are in the best position to serve the customer with utmost high quality standard customer service. Then full engagement of the staff. Harvard did a study on employee engagement stating that the average company had 29% of their employees who were fully engaged, and they labeled this group as superstars. Using the same criteria, Ritz Carlton has 92% of their staff as considered fully engaged or the superstars. No wonder they have able to win so many service awards like Malcolm Baldrige Quality Awards for 2 times, and no wonder they create such an experience for their customers. So it is because of engagement of the staff, it is because of motivation, motivating the staff in the right direction. They have achieved the quality standards. They have achieved the full engagement of the staff to 92%. Then quality standards. Instead of focusing on keeping costs low, Ritz Carlton focuses on providing highest quality service possible. So they are not thinking about the cost cutting, cost saving. They are thinking about providing the best quality service. The hotel emphasizes a desire to fulfill every individual need that guests may have. So express as well as unexpressed need they are fulfilling. Because of this high quality service, customer are willing to pay more for the experience. So customer are uh, customer want that particular experience to gain, and for that they are ready to pay any price. This means that even during the times of the economic downturn, guests that desire such high quality service are willing to pay to sat with the Ritz Carlton. So in the recession, in this economic slowdown, the organization will not suffer due to losses. Tangibilizing the intangible. The good customer service the Ritz Carlton is providing, making the services tangible. Generally, in the service industry, services are intangible. You cannot feel, you cannot touch, you cannot smell. But with the good memories, they are making their services tangible. Ritz Carlton have effectively tangibilized the intangible. They have earned people's trust through their excellent service and state-of-the-art infrastructure, thus actively exceeding the time to ensure their staff is well trained and therefore reduces turnover. This helps the morale of the staff and offers the opportunity for them to move up within the organization. Their logo symbolizes strength, royalty, and enthusiasm. Expectation of the guest in that competitive state. They take pride in its heritage and deliverability. Then they have very good loyal customers. The Ritz keeps its focus on providing services that cater to the hotel's target market of upper class individual. This means that the hotel has a loyal customer base who return to the Ritz Carlton time after time, year after year, and generation after generation. Mass customization. The Ritz Carlton has established a sustainable competitive advantage through the practice of mass customization through high quality customer service. So they are understanding the customer, they are understanding the needs, expectation of the customer, and they are customizing their services. They are going out of the way to serve the customer. The Ritz Carlton services each quest as an individual. So each customer need is fulfilled individually. This makes being a guest at the Ritz Carlton more than just a service. Being a guest at the Ritz is completely unique experience. Mass customization. Next strategy is mass customization. The Ritz Carlton does not need to ask what kind of pillow you like, what your favorite newspaper is, if you prefer a smoking or non-smoking room, if you want breakfast served in your room. All this information they already have. Whenever customer comes there for the first time, they record all this information and they are using this information for the second time. All these things are and more are provided like pleasant little surprises throughout your stay. This is because there is stores information about its customer as they continue to visit. The more time you stay at the Ritz Carlton, the more you will pleasantly surprised with increasingly personalized service. Continuous improvement is the next strategy. The Ritz-Carlton gathers and uses surveys of the customer satisfaction and high quality related data on daily basis to ensure the continuous improvement of service. That we have discussed that Gallup survey is one example. They are maintaining they are maintaining the data of their customer satisfaction. They are calling customer and they are asking questions on the functional basis. They are asking questions on the emotional background, emotional questions they are asking. By asking customer how the Ritz Carlton can improve, the company shows dedication to the providing extremely personalized, caring, and quality service. They are asking their customers and the suggestions by which they can improve their uh, quality. This resonates with the customers and become a source of competitive advantage for the Ritz Carlton since no other hotel in the industry shows this level of dedication to quality. So they have very good dedication to the quality. They are asking customer for the suggestions and they are implementing those suggestions. They are doing some survey, they are doing some research, and they are the best. They are done by the uh, best tool or best method or by the best agency, and they are using again these learnings. They are using this output again as a learning tool. Then they are very good at the technology. So they are using technology as an advantage. Under technology we have few points like guest profiling system, accounting data, research and development, e-commerce, character trait recruiting, converts data into useful information, improves the quality and productivity, crucial for continuous improvement. Now guest profiling system. Organization or Ritz Carlton remember each of its 8 lakh customer. They monitor guest preferences, interests, family or couple, smoker or non-smoker, preferred form of payment, etc. So they have all the information about 8 lakh customer which they have. Is the customer is single or married? Is he smoker or non-smoker? Which payment system he has used last time? So all the data they have. It provides information on previous complaints so that the staff knows what area to pay extra attention. So if anybody has complained about anything, even though it is a small complaint, they write down, they make a note of it, they record it, and in the next time they give special attention that that uh, things will not repeat, or that care should be taken to serve best to that particular customer. It allows the hotel to tailor the service for each and every customer. Accessible at every Ritz-Carlton hotel, provide a more personal and memorable experience. So all the information about the 8 lakh customer is available in all their branches. Next is accounting data, useful in identifying areas for quality improvement and tracking the progress of the quality improvement programs. Higher productivity reduces the cost, ensures that the firm operates cost effectively and profitably. Analyze investment opportunities. So they are identifying areas for the quality improvement. They are also tracking the progress of the quality programs which they are conducting in their organization. If they are improving quality, the cost automatically reduces and productivity automatically increases. So the firm is not spending more than required, and firm is achieving the cost effectiveness. Research and development, it helps the discover what customer want. So they are doing research, they are doing lot of surveys in understanding what customer want. It helps identify the market trends and the patterns. Customer surveys provide feedback with the useful information that improve customer satisfaction. It tells us what we can improve and how we can improve it. Then character trait recruiting, it is the instrument for determining a candidate's fitness for each of the 120 job positions they have. It provides a way to match the right candidate to the right job. Proven effectiveness so far, and combined with the proper training and proper compensation, it reduces the chance of employee turnover. So trade recruiting is helping them to give the right person right job, and it improves their quality standards, it improves their customer experience. Then e-commerce platform allows the customers to navigate through the site to find rooms, pricing, availability, and so much more. So you use with the use of e-commerce platform, they can sell their services, they can show them availability of the services, they can actually make it tangible their services. It enhances the customer relationship as you are providing service to the customer in booking the room, in informing the services and its pricing. So it builds good customer relationship also. Ability to suggest the activities, rooms, special promotions, etc. Increase opportunity for exposure and sales. So if you are making it available, if anybody can book the hotel or the rooms uh, through online, it will also increase your sales. Then we have some examples of the Ritz Carlton exceptional customer service, high quality customer service. A couple traveled to Seoul, Korea to adopt a newest member of their family. So there is a couple who wanted to adopt a child. After the couple completed the adoption, they brought their new son with them to the hotel. So after the couple is from other country, the couple is not from Korea, and they wanted to adopt Korean child. They came to the Korea and they adopted the child, and that child uh, 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 they took to the Ritz-Carlton hotel for a stay. The guest relation agent heard the mother speaking to her son one morning and realized that they were having trouble communicating because the mother knew very little Korean. So as the parents were from the customers were from outside the Korea, they were not knowing Korean language. So the employee is helping that particular customer, the mother of that particular son, with Korean language, and they teach them some basic Korean words by which they can able to make that son happy. The guest relation agents help the mother by translating several common English baby words into Korean. This enabled the mother to quickly and easily communicate with her son when he was hungry or tired. They expressed their thanks, saying that they would leave the hotel with the many happy memories of their new family. So, Rich Carton is making some incident as wow stories. So the employees are trained to help the customer in their difficult times. Reese Carton has built a culture of wow stories, a great story that makes its way around the Reese Carton world. Guests who had just left the hotel called to stay, called to say that their son had left his stuffed giraffe in the room. So there is one more story. There is a couple, they have a son, and their son, by mistake, he has forgotten his giraffe, that is stuffed giraffe toy, in the room, and baby was crying, baby was not stopping, baby was constantly crying. The only thing these distraught parents could think of to tell their son is that the giraffe was staying on the vacation a little longer. So the staff found the giraffe and overnighted it to the boy. So the parents said that giraffe is taking longer vacation, and within 1 or 2 days giraffe will come to stop the child from crying. So the next day, the the employee of the Ritz Carton came to deliver that giraffe to that particular son at their home, and they also brought one album. In that album, there were photos. Giraffe was taking holidays. Giraffe was enjoying the stay at the hotel. They have taken some photographs of the giraffe in near swimming pool, some photographs of the giraffe in garden, some photograph of the giraffe enjoying the facilities that particular hotel has. You will feel that this is very silly, but this is the commitment they have towards their customers. They are understanding the need of the customer, and whatever the small efforts they have to take, they are taking even a small efforts to make their customer happy. Most luxury hotels would have done that, but that was not enough for the Ritz Carlton. Knowing that mom had told their son about staying on a bit longer, the staff also included a photo album of the giraffe enjoying his extra stay. They took photos sitting by the pool. They took photos getting a massage in the spa with the cucumber on his eyes and laying out on the beach. Imagine how the parents felt, and imagine how many friends they may share that story. So this is the way they are generating good word of mouth publicity. There are some more stories like Ritz Carlton makes a shoe tree for the customer. Ritz Carlton retrieves a customer's sunglasses by snorkeling. Snorkeling is scuba diving, going in the sea at the bottom and finding out sunglasses. Then Ritz Carlton constructs a wooden pathway for the wheelchair that we have discussed in one of the slides. The Ritz Carlton goes across the country to return the customer's dress. Then culture of learning, while the this is the next strategy, while the ultimate goal is to provide the amazing customer service, successful mission moments, while the ultimate goal is to providing amazing customer service with successful mission moments, the organizational learning goal is to promote a culture of learning. So Reese Carter is providing culture of learning for the employees. Between 70% to 90% of the organizational learning is informal. Informal learning is loosely defined as the consisting mostly of experiential learning and sharing of these moments. So how the organizational learning will happen? Most of the time organizational learning will happen through informal experiences. These informal experiences, they are uh, recognizing, they are uh, appreciating, they are discussing in their daily lineups as a wow story. Studies show that humans are easily influenced by the stories and perception. At the same time, we celebrate stories in which the underdog creates moments of genuine success, and we disassociate with the stories of higher ups misbehaving. Act of thoughtful customer service create memorable moments for guests. Acts of thoughtful customer service creates memorable moments for guests. They are also powerful source of learning for the ladies and gentlemen of the Ritz-Carlton. This is in part because wow stories are not merely shared in daily lineups. The best wow stories rise to the top and are then made available through their internal website and video productions. Some even become organization-wide policies or practices. So wow stories, they are spreading them through their website. They are making them available to read on their website. They are sharing them, these wow stories through internet or the intranet. They are making the videos of these wow stories. These wow stories become the some of the policies or some of the practices in their training, in their training manual. This bottom-up learning influences the entire organization. That's the organization learning in practice. This bottom-up learning influences the entire organization. That is the organization learning in practice. The Ritz-Carlton has been the positive effects of their wow stories for years. So they are getting benefited from these wow stories. They believe that these wow stories has potential to improve the quality standards. Recent research reveals the significance of not creating positive customer service moments. Whooping 67% of the customer leave because of the bad attitude of one employee. As the customer service industry struggles with their satisfaction rating, as the customer service industry struggles with their satisfaction rating, the Ritz-Carlton rating remains steadily high. Not only does the Ritz-Carlton engage their employees through the wow stories, they create learning opportunities. Leaders can't stop with simply sharing these success stories. They have to create culture and environment that allows them to take root and manifest naturally. John Quitino, John Quitoni, corporate director of the culture transformation at the Ritz-Carlton Leadership Center, highlights the genuine, personal, and always as a key aspects of the gold standard. Respect and authenticity must flow both ways. As a result, Ritz-Carlton enjoys one of the industry's lowest employee turnover rates. I think two important factors that the Ritz-Carlton have taken to ensure their guests has been winning care of their internal customers, and by doing that they are taking care of their external customers. This makes for very happy guests. So they are taking care of the employees so that employees can take care of the customers. So what can brand leaders learn from the Ritz-Carlton? How can brand leaders meet the unexpressed need of the guests? Balance short-term results with a long-term relationship. Observe and listen for the unexpressed needs of the customer. It is great to have the data, but you have to reach for your instincts. Ritz-Carlton has these behaviors baked into the way they show up. How do you get your antenna up so that you are always watching, listening, and thinking? Talk with the customers, walk into the store, monitor the brand's social media feed, sit with the customer service, read through customer complaints, set aside time to do quick brainstorm on consumer observations once a week. How can brand leaders push themselves to wow the consumers? Ritz-Carlton staff is constantly trying to wow their guests. They push to surprise and delight that goes beyond the brand promise. As a marketer, push yourself to surprise or wow your consumer. Build a high standard that goes beyond your customers' expectation. Brands like Ritz-Carlton work hard to make sure the brand drives the culture as essential element to long-term success of the brand. The best brands look to the overall culture as an asset that helps create a powerful consumer experience. Expected behaviors of the operations team behind the consumer experience should flow out of the brand values and flow from the brand idea. These values act as a guidepost to ensure that the behavior of the everyone in the organization is set to deliver the brand promise. So we are going to discuss the strategies of the Ritz Carlton, personalized, caring, and quality service. Ritz Carlton is providing personalized, caring, and quality service. Ritz Carlton is making the intangible services tangible. Ritz Carlton, first of all, providing very high quality services. Their quality services are the best in the industry, best in the world. They are giving personalized service. They are taking care a lot about the customers. They have very high quality standards which are very difficult to achieve by the competitors, and they are creating very good memories with the customers. They are with the performance of the employees, with the great care that that the employees are taking about the customers. They are making their services tangible. When customer is going with very good memories, he that services of the Ritz Carlton becomes automatically tangible. Then dedication towards quality, they have very high dedication towards quality, focusing on the highest quality service possible. So they are focusing on the highest quality service possible. They fulfill every individual need that guests may have. They are fulfilling express as well as unexpressed needs of the customers, what customer want. So they are doing research and they are trying to understand what customer want through their research and surveys. They are creating culture of learning. They have wow stories. They are appreciating each and every employee's performance, any incident which is appreciated by the customer, which is memorable. They are discussing every day in their 15 minutes lineup. They are creating informal learning through their wow stories. They believe that the wow stories are very good tool for the learning, and it is stories and perceptions are very good tool for the training and telling the employees that what kind of service they are expecting. They are celebrating stories. They are making thoughtful customer experience. They are creating memorable moments for their guests as they are providing personalized service. They are doing mass customization. They are providing the services as per the requirement of the individual customers. They are storing the information. If you are going for the second time, all your information are stored, and they are providing you service as per the last customer experience. What do you like, what you did not like, everything is recorded, and it is given to that particular employee of the Ritz Carlton, and he will take care of your everything, and he will give you pleasant surprises. Then genuine service and success, it is the service they are showing, the care they are showing is not fake, it is not artificial, it is genuine and it is from the heart. Pride in its heritage and deliverability. So they are working on the customer service since so long, so many years they are working on this, and they have this very good quality service in their heritage, in their customer value since their inception. Develop culture, long-term success of the brand. So they want success for the long term. They don't want success for the short term. They are taking the pledge that they will serve better, and they take the oath, they take the pledge that they will provide highest quality service. Then they have a belief, they have a credo, they have a motto, they have three-step service, they have 12 service values, They have every day 15 minutes lineup for the wow stories discussion. They are providing $2,000 every employee uh, so that whenever he require that particular amount, he can be used to serve the customer. Wow stories we already discussed. They are appealing to emotions. They are saying that nobody will remember our design, nobody will remember material which we have, nobody will remember the facilities which we have, but everyone will remember the interaction they have with the employees. Everyone will remember how their employees are going out of the way to serve them, how their employees are helping them, how their employees are assisting them, and the memories the employee is serving the customer, going out of the way, will create very good memories for them, and that are the emotions which are creating good quality for Ritz Carlton, and it's not the material thing or the facilities they have. Day-to-day experiences used for the quality improvement. The day-to-day experiences they are observing, they are recording, and they are using it for the quality services. Then target group and segmentation. They have categorized, they have segmented very good their services and their customers. Customers are willing to pay more for the experiences. They are serving upper class individual, and that's why they have very good loyal customer base. Then employee, they recognize an individual employee. Whenever employee is providing very good service, they are recognizing that particular employee. Then they have very good employee promise that we have discussed. Then they have very good engagement ratio for the staff, because staff is more motivated. That's why they are fully engaged for doing their activities. They have management training program. They have lowest employee turnover. Their turnover is just 20%, where the hotel industry, hospitality industry has 80 to 90% turnover ratio. They have passion for its employees. Then evaluation of their services. They are doing Gallup phone interviews. They are doing survey of the customer satisfaction. They are asking customers on for the suggestions. They are asking customer some functional questions and some emotional questions. So this is all about Reese Carton. I hope you have understood this case study. And if you want such a good case studies, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and kindly like, share, and comment on this video. So thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel.